In today's video, where we delve into the critical topic of unreliable trucks, a subject that resonates with many potential buyers in the automotive market. Purchasing a truck is a significant investment, and the last thing you want to end up with is a vehicle that doesn't meet your expectations, or worse, leaves you stranded on the side of the road. In this video, we'll explore various truck models known for their lack of reliability. We'll provide a comprehensive overview of the specific issues that plague these vehicles, from mechanical failures to poor performance ratings. Our goal is to equip you with the necessary knowledge to make informed decisions when it comes to purchasing a truck that will serve you well for years to come. The Nissan Titan XD. Let's start with the Nissan Titan XD, a truck that has garnered attention but also raised concerns among owners and industry experts alike. Engine problems. One of the most significant issues with the Titan XD revolves around engine reliability, particularly with the diesel variant. Owners have reported excessive oil consumption, turbocharger failures, and in some cases, complete engine breakdowns. These problems not only lead to frustrating experiences, but also question the overall build quality of the truck. High repair costs. The repair costs associated with the Titan XD can be alarmingly high. Diesel mechanics have noted challenges in obtaining parts and receiving adequate support from Nissan, leading to extended downtime and increased expenses for owners. Poor resale value. Due to its reliability issues, the Titan XD tends to depreciate faster than its competitors. This can be a significant financial setback when it comes time to sell or trade in the vehicle. Key takeaway: if you're considering the Nissan Titan XD, be aware of these potential issues. The combination of engine problems, high repair costs, and poor resale value suggests that this truck may not offer the dependable performance you're looking for. The Chevrolet Colorado. Next on our list is the Chevrolet Colorado, a popular midsize truck that has faced its fair share of reliability challenges. Transmission issues. Owners have reported rampant transmission problems, including rough shifting, slipping gears, and even complete transmission failures. These issues can lead to an unpredictable and unsafe driving experience. Engine misfires. Engine misfires are another common complaint. These can result from faulty spark plugs or ignition coils, leading to a loss of power and decreased fuel efficiency. Safety recalls. The Colorado has been subject to significant recalls, often involving critical components like the transmission and engine systems. It's essential to stay informed about these recalls as they address safety concerns that cannot be overlooked. High annual repair costs. Frequent mechanical issues lead to more trips to the mechanic, resulting in higher maintenance costs over time. Key takeaway: the Chevrolet Colorado's combination of transmission failures, engine misfires, and safety recalls make it a truck you should approach with caution. Thorough research and consideration of more reliable alternatives are advised. The Ford F-150 with a 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine. The Ford F-150 is one of the best-selling trucks globally, but certain models equipped with the 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine have raised reliability concerns. Oil sludging. Owners have reported oil sludging issues, where oil breaks down and forms sludge that can clog the engine. This can lead to poor performance and severe engine damage if not addressed promptly. Spark plug failures. The 5.4-liter Triton V8 is notorious for spark plug problems. The spark plugs can be challenging to replace due to their design, often breaking during removal and requiring expensive repairs. High repair costs. These engine issues can result in substantial repair bills. Frequent maintenance to address oil sludge and spark plug failures can add up quickly. Alternative options. If you're set on the F-150, consider models with different engines, such as the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, which has received better reliability ratings. Key takeaway: while the F-150 is a popular choice, models with the 5.4-liter Triton V8 engine may not provide the reliability you expect. Opting for a different engine variant could save you from potential headaches. The Mercedes-Benz X-Class. Moving into the luxury segment, the Mercedes-Benz X-Class aimed to combine utility with premium features but fell short in reliability. Safety feature failures. Critical safety systems like lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking have been reported to malfunction. These failures compromise driver and passenger safety. Electrical glitches. Owners have experienced issues with the infotainment system, dashboard displays, and other electronic components. Electrical problems can be costly and challenging to diagnose. Disappointing build quality. Despite its luxury branding, the X-Class has faced criticism for not meeting the high standards associated with Mercedes-Benz, especially concerning durability and reliability. Key takeaway: In the luxury truck market, reliability is paramount. The Mercedes-Benz X-Class's issues with safety features and electrical systems suggest that it may not be the dependable luxury vehicle buyers expect. Recent GMC Canyon models. The GMC Canyon has been a contender in the midsize truck market, but recent models have encountered serious reliability problems. Transmission failures. Similar to the Chevrolet Colorado, the Canyon has been plagued by transmission issues that can lead to sudden power loss while driving. Engine problems. Reports of engine failures, including instances of engine explosions, have raised serious safety concerns. Brake system issues. Owners have reported premature brake wear and failures, compromising the vehicle's ability to stop effectively. Overall reliability. These compounded issues have led to a significant lack of confidence in the Canyon's reliability and safety. Key takeaway: the recent GMC Canyon model's reliability issues, particularly with critical components like the engine and brakes, make it a risky choice for consumers seeking a dependable truck. The Lordstown Endurance. The Lordstown Endurance is an all-electric pickup truck that has generated buzz but also faces significant challenges. Production delays. The company has experienced numerous setbacks, delaying the truck's release and raising concerns about its ability to deliver. Financial instability. Lordstown Motors has faced financial difficulties, including reports of dwindling funds and management turnover, which cast doubt on the company's future. Untested technology. The Endurance features innovative but unproven technology, such as hub motors in the wheels, which have not been widely adopted in the industry. Key takeaway: while the idea of an electric pickup is appealing, the Lordstown Endurance's production delays, financial issues, and untested technology suggest that potential buyers should proceed with caution. The Hyundai Santa Cruz. The Hyundai Santa Cruz is a newcomer in the compact pickup truck market, blending SUV characteristics with truck utility. However, early reports indicate some reliability concerns. Transmission failures. Owners have reported issues with the transmission, including rough shifting and unexpected failures. Engine temperature control. Problems with engines overheating have been noted, which can lead to long-term damage if not addressed. Brake and electrical issues. Malfunctions in the braking system and glitches in electrical components, such as the infotainment system, have also been reported. Inconsistent build quality. Some owners have observed variability in build quality, with issues like misaligned panels and interior components. Key takeaway: as a new model, the Hyundai Santa Cruz may still be ironing out its initial production kinks. Potential buyers should monitor owner reports and consider waiting for future model years that may offer improved reliability. The 2023 Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has a strong reputation for reliability, but the 2023 model has seen some emerging issues. Transmission problems. Drivers have reported rough shifting and delayed engagement, which can affect the vehicle's performance and drivability. Engine performance concerns. Some owners feel the engine lacks power, particularly when towing or hauling heavy loads. Interior quality issues. Complaints about the use of lower quality interior materials and outdated infotainment technology have surfaced. Key takeaway: while the Tacoma has historically been a reliable choice, the 2023 model's issues are worth considering. Prospective buyers may want to test drive and inspect the vehicle thoroughly before making a decision. The Ford Ranger. The Ford Ranger re-entered the U.S. market with much anticipation, but it has encountered several reliability issues. Transmission slipping. Owners have reported problems with the transmission not engaging properly, leading to potential safety concerns. Oil pump failures. Faulty oil pumps have been a source of engine problems, which can result in severe damage if not properly repaired. Build quality concerns. Issues with interior finishes, rattling noises, and overall assembly have been noted by owners. Consumer survey rankings. The Ranger has received lower than expected rankings in consumer satisfaction surveys, primarily due to reliability issues. Key takeaway: the Ford Ranger's reliability concerns, especially regarding the transmission and engine, suggest that buyers should exercise caution and consider other options in the mid-size truck category. In this video, we've explored several truck models that have raised reliability concerns among owners and experts. From the Nissan Titan XD's engine problems to the Chevrolet Colorado's transmission failures, these issues highlight the importance of thorough research when purchasing a truck. Key takeaways: do your research. Always check for common issues reported by current owners. Forums, consumer reports, and recall notices are valuable resources. Consider total ownership costs. Beyond the purchase price, factor in potential repair costs, maintenance, and depreciation. Test drive and inspect. Spending time test driving and, if possible, have a trusted mechanic inspect the vehicle before finalizing your purchase. Stay informed about recalls. Keep an eye on recall announcements for any vehicle you're considering as they address safety-related defects. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses and reviews. Your support enables us to continue providing valuable content to help you make informed automotive decisions. Also, feel free to share your experiences with these or other truck models in the comments below. Your insights can help others navigate their truck buying journey. Thank you for watching. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with the information you need to make an informed decision. Remember, investing in a reliable truck not only saves you money in the long run, but also ensures safety and peace of mind on the road.